Choose the right paint type for your exterior now to avoid costly failures later. Acrylic latex paint, made from water-based polymers, offers superior flexibility and breathability, which prevents cracking and peeling on wood, fiber, cement, and most siding when temperatures and humidity vary. Use 100% acrylic latex for most siding and trim because it resists ultraviolet breakdown, holds pigment longer, and cleans up with water, which makes job site handling simpler. Oil-based enamel adheres strongly to certain metals and previously painted oil surfaces and provides a hard, glossy finish. So reserve it for metal railings, shutters, and areas that require a tough, abrasion-resistant coat. Hybrid alkyd formulations combine oil-like adhesion with water cleanup and can be useful where a contractor needs oil-level performance without solvent cleanup, but follow the manufacturer instructions for surface preparation and dry time. Always follow substrate recommendations from the paint technical datasheet and prepare surfaces by cleaning, repairing damaged wood, sanding glossy areas, and applying the correct primer for the substrate in the paint family. Before starting a whole elevation, test a small patch to verify adhesion, color, and compatibility, and allow full cure time before assessing final appearance. Common mistakes include choosing oil-based paint for all surfaces, which can trap moisture on porous siding and promote peeling. The short fix is to switch to 100% acrylic latex for porous substrates and use oil only where adhesion demands it. Another frequent issue is skipping primer, which leads to poor adhesion and visible tannin bleed through on woods like cedar and redwood. Solve this by using a stain-blocking primer compatible with the chosen top coat and ensure full drying before top coating. A third problem is neglecting compatibility between old and new paint, which can cause delamination. If an existing coat is oil-based, either remove it mechanically or use a primer made for covering oil-based finishes, or choose a hybrid alkyd if the manufacturer permits it. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our marketplace. We also host a discussion community on the site where people share real-world experiences, ask questions about paint choices, and compare products and techniques.